Hello, welcome to ET Garage, and I'm back home. This is an update on the second time I blew the trans, and the rollback driver just left. This is as far as we could get it in. We sort of had to slide it in because for whatever reason the trans will not come out of gear, and I think the reason it wouldn't come out of gear when he was putting it up on the rollback, you seen all the fluid run out of the trans, so something in the back of the trans must be blown in the tail shaft or something like that. That's the only thing I could think of. And what I'm hoping happened, well, not hoping, but I'm guessing all the fluid ran out, and that because there's no fluid in it, it won't disengage the clutches in order for it to roll backwards. So I got to do one of two things: dump a couple of quarts in it and hope that's enough to release it and push it back, or maybe roll back on its own if I get lucky. And that's the only thing I could think of. But that I don't know, that don't make sense to me now that I think about it, because it should roll back in neutral. So something must be locked up in the trans. That means in order for me to get this all the way in the garage, I'm probably gonna have to crawl under there and jack it up and disconnect the drive shaft. Before I do that, I'll have to chock the wheels and all that good stuff. So I don't know, hang tight and we'll see. Jeez, what a predicament. Okay, this is where I'm at. Decided not to try the putting transmission fluid in it. And you can see transmission fluid all over the rear wheel here. Well, at least you might be able to from when they rolled it off the trailer, because the rollback was covered in transmission fluid. And the wheel will roll forward, but it won't roll back. So for whatever reason, something in the trans is locked up that won't allow it to roll back. And I'm not quite sure what to do. I got it up on my floor jack, and I was going to try and jack it up and roll the floor jack backwards, but that ain't working not without assistance of some kind. So I don't know. See if I'll try pushing on it from the front, I guess, maybe, and see what happens. Well, it took me a second to catch my breath, but the car is in, and ready for the trans to come out again. So all I can do now is wait, see what I want to do, and see how things work out. But anyway, I ended up jacking it up, putting it on jack stands, disconnecting the rear of the drive shaft, shoving the drive shaft forward, and I was able to roll it back. The only thing left for me to do for today is I'm going to put the windows up, turn the ignition off, let it sit while I dwell on this situation, and hopefully I'll have it back on the road soon. So for now, I want everybody else to have a better day than I'm having, and have a great day, in fact. And check back on the channel, see what happens, and God bless.